Who is the threesome? Oh, the last time I filmed all you could hear was the fish. Shh. There we go. Oh, let me get comfy. Okay, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Come on in. I'm Lily. Please don't forget to subscribe. I thought I would vlog again. It's the weekend. It feels like ages for me. Probably not for you because I haven't missed an upload, but for me, it has been so long because I pre-filmed all my videos in February because I had a deadline. I feel like I haven't filmed in so long, but I am going back to uni this weekend. I've got a pack. I bought some matcha powder. Jack bought me some matcha powder, so I'm gonna try that with you. I'm always trying drinks and Iris was like, let me know if it's nice. I'm always trying drinks for her. This is really funny. But yeah, welcome to my weekend. Welcome to the vlog. How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Look at her. Brimby! No. Look how sick this is. I haven't finished it yet, but I've just been stitching. I love these jumpers. So I'm gonna finish that today. I'm literally just wandering around my room. Ignore this. I've named her Ermintrude. She just is on my face. Just wandering around my room because I don't know what to do and I'm procrastinating working out. I don't want to do it. And I just forgot. I forgot how to really do life. I forgot how to vlog. I forgot how to be motivated. I'm ready for you. Dancing with you. Ooh.
I don't think I know this song at all.
You can You ain't used to.
I like
Let me teach you how to dance.
You had a sort of good different sound to everyone else, didn't it?
Yeah.
It was more jazzy.
Like I'm under attack. Never need a bad brother just like that. Hello, we're back with the questionable drinks. This is the setup. Ignore our messy kitchen. But I've got all these many things. I'm gonna try and make matcha. Don't remember if I said that. I'm fairly sure I did. So I've boiled my kettle. I'm just gonna put a little bit of water in, you know. This is Chintzy Arbelis Zulu's recipe. So I'm gonna add a bit of honey and some vanilla syrup. I've frothed my milk in my milk frother. I should really have used the whizzer, but I already put the ice in the glass, so. It's literally like green. This is not the best light. I don't know how much to do. Is this even open? Oh yeah. There's Alfie doing his washing up. Right, let's see if this looks cool.
Is this not Dear Darling?
Ooh! No. Right, let's give this a try. It looks so cool. You can't see it. We need better lights in this kitchen. It smells questionable.
On the counter lights.
It's alright, you know. There's a lot of flavours in the mouth.
That's like yeast.
I can taste honey, herbs, oat.
Right.
I'm not sure.
I'm just making up excuses.
It's not bad, but it's not delicious. I'd rather have a nice coffee. Yeah, it's slightly questionable. We're gonna make soufflé pancakes. From cremdelacreme.com. I'll put the recipe in the description if I remember. I'm not sure about this, you know. Tastes a bit like I want to be sick. What I'm looking for is a sign that a new world feel for you. Baby, please don't let me go. This is how my jumper's going. It's freaking cute. I just need to finish like the inside. Oh no, it's got a little... I just need to finish the inner stitch on the E, the K and the tick. And then I'm gonna wear it probably tomorrow. I'm probably not gonna get dressed today. I'm just enjoying having a chill day. Huh?
Who are you talking to?
The vlog.
Oh.
Are you talking to? The ruddy vlog fight.
Kind of gotten used to you not vlogging.
Sonia, that is the biggest poo I've ever seen.
Yeah, but it doesn't smell.
At least it doesn't smell, yeah, but it is a giant poo. It's like the size of my hand. That's a big poo. Me and Faye are gonna make the soufflé pancakes. I will put you, I wish I could just put you on the toaster, but I think that might be a hazard. I feel like Miss McMahon might come for me. Look how sick that looks. It's just so satisfying to look at.
Oh, look at that.
No, it's just egg whites. Now we have to add it to this questionable mixture. It's a bit lumpy. I'm not sure if this has really worked, but
Sort of a bit
we'll see.
70s bloke.
Are you ready, Faye, to try and make these? Come on then, let's do this. They just look like crumpets. And Alfie burnt the bottom of them, but we won't talk about that. But they just look a bit crumpety. But you know, we'll wait and see. Alfie's look sick. Mine look like sad burnt crumpets, but Faye's look so cool. How did you do yours?
You just did them in a smaller thing.
Did it in a smaller thing.
Burn them.
Okay, that looks sick though.
Yeah.
Gonna do a little taste test. I look actually deranged. Very sorry for my appearance. Mine's just
Lily's got her Eccles cake. Okay. And I've got my actually quite nice ones.
Taste them.
Mine just tastes like a
Like a
normal
cake.
pancake.
Oh, that's very stodgy. Not unpleasant, it's just very thick.
Everything's stodgy to you.
I know.
That is true.
Yeah.
He
Thought
thinks
my bread
smoothies
was
are stodgy. Moon sees a fruit salad and goes,
Oh,
it's a bit
too
stodgy.
I don't think that about fruits.
fruit salad. Yummy, yummy.
I had
It's just
such
I
a
can't
stodgy
swallow it.
dinner last night. Some soup. I drank some stock. It was so stodgy.
It sort of sticks to the top of your mouth.
Is that a problem?
Alfie's tastes more like dough.
I like yours better.
Oh, Lily's?
It's more
Mine's just a
pancakey.
pancake. Alfie's is still dough in the middle.
The sides are alright. Just eat around the middle.
At least mine's not dough, I don't think. Out of 10?
6. It's not amazing, but looks nice.
It's just an average pank.
My mouth is sticking together.
I'm just having to eat fruit to lubricate. Maybe don't make this. Just like get it from a cafe. Iris says there's someone in London that do these. So when we're allowed to travel again, we're gonna go up and see her. And just be tourists in our own city. I'm just saying to the vlog that I think only get these if you get them like in a cafe that like
Know how to
do it. Water has never
do need
tasted so
a
good.
glass of water with it.
You really do. It's a whole new ball game. Yeah, I wouldn't really recommend doing this. Perhaps the Japanese morning has not really gone to plan. Oh my god, it's literally raw.
It's just goo.
It's still wet in the middle. I wouldn't really recommend matcha or soufflé pancakes. Look how freaking sick this looks. Like, it looks so real. I'm actually obsessed. Yeah! If you have a plain sweatshirt, would highly recommend. It looks great from further away. Would recommend, or hand it my way and I will do it for you. But just, I love it. It is a bit winkly because obviously it's stitched. It's a bit like wibbly wobbly, but I'm actually obsessed. From far away it looks freaking sick. Woo! So I'm so proud of that. I just made a TikTok on how I made it, by the way, if you want to go watch that. Oh, I've got even more spots now. I need to clean my fish out. So that is the next thing on the list, and then I'm going to fake tan and then finish packing. Such a crazy day. Sorry if this has been boring for you to watch. Sorry about all the music in the background earlier when we were making breakfast and all the chattering. You know, we were just having a family morning. Look how cute this picture is. I'm gonna put you there. I like sent off my old disposable camera to be like developed, and because it was like, I found it in my attic, this camera. Like, I don't know how old it was. I wasn't expecting any of the pictures to really work. 3 of them worked, and then 2 of them you couldn't see, and the rest were just black. And then this was the only one that came out. I need to send Iris a picture of this. She asked me for, actually. But isn't it so cute? This was a year ago. This is not last December, like December 2019. Crazy. crazy. Some weird Depop man's like, I prefer cleavage angles. I am male, just so you know, and I like to collect nice items. Please don't buy my item, you creepy man. I look absolutely atrocious, so I'm gonna try and stand you up here. Oh my god, that actually might work. Hello. I've cleaned my fish out. I'm sure you can hear the noise. Sorry, I know you can hear the fish. Is that annoying in the background? I actually just look an absolute state today. I'm not sure what to do with my hair. I don't know what to do with my hair when it's like this. I mean, that looks quite cute, but then the top. So maybe we'll just leave it like that. I'm just having some lunch. I've cleaned my fish out. Oh my god, this bowl's got a crack in it. Can you see that? It's got a big crack in it. I've made a little Greek sal with cucumber, tomato, onion, feta, and olives. It's gonna be delicious. I don't know what I want to watch. I might just watch like old Sophia and Cinzia videos. I'm gonna watch either Schitt's Creek or The Politician. I think I'm gonna watch Politician because I started watching it with Moon, and like it's very hard to coordinate when we're not doing anything. So we never finished it. Sorry, this vlog's really just been me eating. If anyone has watched Schitt's Creek, please let me know if it's good. Because I've seen a lot of people raving about it. Oh my god, there's a second season. Bloody hell, it's never ending. Okay, so I'm gonna watch this. Then I'm gonna pack. I have missed my chance of fake tan now. Because I fake tan in the day and then you don't destroy your bedsheet. I don't know why more people don't do that. I think it's because like washing up and stuff, or like going out, but we're not going out anywhere at the moment. Ermintrude. So I just do it in the day, on a day when I'm not doing anything, and then wash it off before you go to bed, and you can moisturize and stuff, and you don't trash your sheets, so works well for me. I'm really thoroughly enjoying this, so I'll catch up with you when I start packing, and I'll stop putting you through listening to me eat. Packing was the most boring thing ever, and then I got distracted. I was packing like pony beads for my hair, and then I ended up making a cute little necklace. I'm not sure if it really suits me though, but I thought it went with the blue. But I don't know if I just look a bit of a twat. Oh my god, I think the man that's having a threesome is gonna cheat on those people with that woman. Guys should watch The Politician. Some crazy dramas. We're gonna try that thing where like boys can't put their elbows on the ground without falling over. So like go on your knees, and then like your elbows like this. Okay. And then I think you put one elbow behind your back, and then the second one. Oh, you can do it!
I thought it was like you go down and you put one hand there and the other one there, and then that one away and then that one away.
Yeah, that's what you just did.
Yeah.
Or do it both at the same time. Why can boys and... Why is there a thing that boys can't do it?
Well, because they're probably not thinking. And so don't think about the fact that they're no longer leaning on their, like...
Boys are dumb.
Hands and need to shift their weight to their bum. Because, like, if you've got all of your weight at the front...
Yeah, you're obviously
then
gonna...
you're obviously going to fall. But if
you need to put your weight back.
Yeah.
It's a myth. Okay, well clearly that does not work and everyone is lying. Alfie Day is clearly...
an idiot.
Yeah. Alfie's playing cat noises and it's making Sonia meow. It's so funny. Oh, so... Oh, yeah, but what if that means, like, help, I'm drowning in cat language? And Sonia's like, where? Where? Missy gives no shit Missy doesn't care. Missy, do you not care about the children? They might need your help. They say cats look like their owners. We look the same. I actually don't think I've ever looked worse. I've got like that frizzy girl hair. I'm actually ashamed. Why is this bacon?
Apparently it's another sound that cats
Why are
like
we
to
listening to cat noises? Yeah. We had some Chinese dinner and we watched Here Comes the Boom. And if you haven't watched it on Netflix, it's so good. It's so cute. It's just a feel-good film. I'm sorry this day's been really boring. We have not done anything.
We made souffle.
We did make souffle. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this daily vlog. Missy, do you want to say it? Thanks for watching. Please go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, that's it. See you next time. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Bye. Missy.